Hey guys, Mitch's Aviation back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing another simulator. This time it's on Infinite Flight. Last time it was on X-Plane 10. So yeah, Infinite Flight's a bit better, but so yeah, I've just chosen everything, and yeah, we're going on the Qatar Airways A380, and I actually do have this aircraft, which is pretty cool at the same time. So yeah. So let's push back. Just push back. I might not actually put my no smoking thing on and seatbelts because it doesn't really matter. Like, okay. Use my rudder. Okay. I won't put my strobe lights on because it's kind of daytime and I don't really want to do that. Okay. And all the fuel's up. It's more than over. So this aircraft definitely is full of fuel. So yeah. Let's just stop the push. Stop pushback. Okay. So, okay, let's go over here. Let's go. Okay, so yeah. Obviously we're taking off from Sydney Kingsford Smith, as I put in the title of the video, Infinite Flight Qatar Airways A380, takeoff at Sydney Kingsford Smith. So yeah. So let's just use rudder here. Wait, why isn't it moving? It's not really moving. Oh, there we go. It is moving. Okay, so fuel all the way up. Okay, we're moving. So we have spoilers armed and we have flaps on 2. I think that's good enough. And we're going to take off with that too, so yeah. Okay, just chuck a bit of a turn here. Okay. So yeah, I've just started these like simulator things. I really like them. They're good for my channel. And yeah. And go check out Aviation 18's ones. He has some done. He has some of these simulators. He uses this same app actually, Infinite Flight. And he went on the, funnily enough, Qatar Airways 787-908. I think it was the I don't know. You'll have to ask him and watch his video. So yeah, can't remember that off the top of my head, but yeah. Just look around the aircraft. The aircraft's really nice in this game. It looks exactly like my model, and yeah, you don't have to pay for the A380s, which is really good, because A380 is like one of the best aircraft, but it's not my favourite. My favorite's probably the Boeing 777-300ER, or the Boeing 787-9, but yeah. Definitely not the A380, I'll have to say that. 747's pretty good, but yeah. Okay, so on the main runway at Sydney, 16 right. Actually, no, it's not. It's not 16. Oh yeah, it is. Okay. So yeah. Oh yeah, it is 16 right. Okay. So on runway 16 right, I'm just holding short. Just clear around the aircraft. And just to let you guys know, I'm doing this really fast, and it's in like more fast. So I'm just recording my voice. Okay, because I put it in fast because it takes just so long, literally. So yeah. Okay, here we go. And you might hear a rumbling sound in this. I actually live, funnily enough, right next to the airport, so that's why you're probably going to hear like the rumbling. of the aircraft. So, yep. Okay. It's night time. That's why I'm a bit tired, but okay, let's just, it's on autopilot. That's why. And I sometimes actually do keep it on autopilot to keep it lined up, so I don't need to use my rudder to line it up all the time. There we go, on autopilot. It's not moving off the lines at all. Perfectly fine. Okay, let's go. Go, take it off autopilot. Oh, why am I going down? Go up. Okay. So we're going up. Oh my god, we're doing a really steep turn. Gotta go back to this thing. Okay, here we go. Okay, so there, that's pretty much it for the video. We're probably gonna climb to about 4,000 feet. So that's pretty much the whole video. Yeah, just got outside look. So yeah. I really hope you like this video. So yeah, and yeah. So please like all my videos and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, and see you in the next video. Peace.